Chief Minister N. Biren has changed and relocated his and Minister T.H. Biswajit's portfolios. This was informed in a notification issued by the Chief Secretary, Government of Manipur yesterday. It further detailed on Chief Minister N. Biren holding the portfolios of Home, Personal Planning, GAD, Transport, etc. On the other hand, Minister T.H. Biswajit retained Power and Public Works Department besides Rural Development and Panchayati Raj and other portfolios. 74 Foundation Day and Annual Award Distribution Function of DM College of Arts, Manipur were held today at the college campus. Retired IAS R.K. Nimai Singh, President of DM College Alumni Association N. Ibohal Singh, Retired Chairperson of Board of Secondary Education Manipur, Dr. W. Ibampisak Devi, Retired Principal of DM College of Arts A. Nushitombi Devi, and Principal of DM College of Arts C.H. Sheila Ramani shared the dais on the occasion. As a part of the event, floral tributes were paid to the founder teachers of the college. Awards were also distributed to the toppers of 6th semester 2019 of the college. Former Vice Chancellor of Manipur University H. Nandakumar alleged that majority of the students in the state depend on each other. He was speaking at the annual school day function of Trinity Public School, Mongsangai, and prize distribution of meritorious students of the school students. The chairman of Khongsang Gangrung Village Authority None District has drawn the attention of concerned authorities considering the current situation of Khongsang Primary School in None, which has been flooded by heavy downpour in the past few weeks. At least 5 people died and 11 sustained injuries after a fire broke out in a multi-story building in Jakir Nagar on Tuesday night. The injured have been shifted to the hospital for treatment. 8 fire tenders were rushed to the spot and the fire has been doused. Around 20 people were rescued from the spot. Around 7 cars and 8 motorcycles were gutted in the fire. Iltija Javed, daughter of People's Democratic Party leader Mehbooba Mufti, has described the government's decision to remove the special status accorded to Jammu and Kashmir and to reorganize the state into 2 union territories as completely undemocratic, reducing Kashmiris to being second-class citizens in their own state. As foreign ambassadors reach out to the government for clarity on the move to scrap the special status granted to Jammu and Kashmir under the Article 370 and bifurcate the state into 2 union territories, New Delhi moved quickly to brief foreign envoys, especially the members of the United Nations Security Council. The briefing was led by Foreign Secretary Vijay Gokhale and other secretaries, who briefed the ambassadors of the US, UK, France, China and Russia, among others, according to media reports. Some other major countries including Germany, Canada, Japan and Asian countries were also briefed.